I have here three multi-tools. Yes, this is a multi-tool. For one thing, this is a nail cutter or nail clipper. Then it has a bottle opener and then can opener, not soda can opener but that tin can opener. And it also has a knife. It's not at all sharp, but it can be used to cut paper or something. And next which I have is this Btwin Multitool. So this is mainly useful if you have a bicycle. It has Allen keys. So this way it can be angled for maximum torque, and this is very tough and very good quality. Once I was tightening a screw in my bicycle and I was over torquing it and that screw broke, but this Allen key is still good. This tool also has 3-star and also flathead. And third one is this Bosch Multitool. This looks great, but only problem with this is that it is very hard to open. You have to use more power, but this is very handy. And it folds very nicely. And another problem with this is that these tools are very hard to open. So first one here we have is a file. And then here we have a knife, and good thing is that this locks here, so it will not come off. These tools, either you can use it this way, so this will be a big handle, so this way you can use, or you can fold it like this, and this way you can use. So other than knife, this has, see, open these middle tools, we will need another tool. So this is one of the flatheads. This tool has total of 3 flatheads. This one is a little bit smaller. Actually, these were on this side. I swapped it. And on this side you get One is this serrated knife or serrated blade. And second one is this hacksaw. It's a very good quality hacksaw. It's a very good quality hacksaw. Then in the middle we have so this is a bottle opener and also a can opener. Again, not soda can opener, but that tin can opener. And another tool we have is this Phillips or 3-star we call it. And this is not a butterfly plier because these joints are very high and stiff, but if you want to show off with this tool, what I would do is open this side one tool, this side serrated blade and this side normal blade. So you can show it off like this if you want to show off. Thanks for watching. Bye.